I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your the main app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you click on, just keep going down, click here on apps. Come to apps list, until you're looking for the main app, or just click on search. Then here add the main, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. Then here you search for the main, it's going to show for you a list like this here. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.